in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce any picture size in very two simple steps. So once you go to your gallery and select the particular picture that you want to reduce the size, let us check this particular picture size here. You can see here I have 1.25 megabyte. Okay, let us reduce the size. So you crop the picture in your gallery, the option is there. So you crop it, select the particular place that you want, and then save. So let us check the size right now. Details, then you can see here I have 336.28 kilobytes. Is it not amazing? The second step is to go to your Play Store or App Store to get this application for yourself, Photo and Picture Resizer, but you don't need to do that. I have the premium application for you guys. Pay it for lifetime. So check the description of this video, you can find the link and download it for yourself. So you select the first option, say select pictures. Once you select the particular picture that you want to resize, you can see this particular picture I have the size 1.9 megabytes. So you don't need to crop anything in this picture if you want to use this particular application. Say you can see resize. Let us select any size that we want to anything. You can convert it to anything because you are using premium version. So let us select this 600. So you can see it here, the size of the picture changed from 1.7 megabyte to 215 kilobytes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and get the free application premium one for yourself. The link will be in the description. Help me to like the video, and if you are new to the channel, help me to subscribe. Peace, I'm out. Thanks.